everyone from Avern Cleaning Supplies. Today we're going to be doing a review on a WVD2000 wet and dry vacuum cleaner, which is the biggest in the Numatic range. Here we have all the size comparisons of all the other models, and we have the Henry here, which everyone knows, so that you can see the difference in the size capacity on the other machines. So today we're reviewing the WVD2000 wet and dry 70 litre pneumatic vacuum cleaner. In the kit you've got a wet filter, a dry filter, a wet and dry floor tool, 2.4 metre hose and a stainless steel kit. You can upgrade to a 5 metre or an 8 metre hose on checkout. So the WVD2000 comes in a 110 volt or a 240 volt plug. You can detach the trolley from the rear and you can lift and remove the actual machine from the chassis. You also have a dump hose on the side, so when the machine is full, you pop this cap off and you drain all the water out into the drain. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show the machine in demonstration, and I'm going to suck up the water out of this bucket and put it in the drain outside. The Numatic WVD2000 wet and dry vacuum cleaner key features are: it comes with a 240 volt or 110 volt plug, a powerful 2000 watt double motor, 70 litre capacity, the machine weighs around 28 kg, a long 10 metre power cable so you're able to use this machine from distance. It comes with a standard 2.4 metre hose with a 38mm diameter. This can be upgraded to a 5 metre or an 8 metre hose. It also comes standard with an 80cm dump hose. This machine is perfect for building sites, flooded areas and any other large cleaning areas.